Things with Duncan are going well. Big promotion. Made me brand ambassador. We gotta come up with a drink name, but it's not easy, right? Nowadays with social media, the kids, it's gotta be authentic. How are people gonna connect you with Duncan?
Yeah, I'm a Duncan girl.
I'm not seeing it.
Ice Spice. My fans are the Munchkin.
Where you going?
Ice Spice.
The National Public Warning EAS system has issued a national emergency message for the following counties or areas. United States, at 1:36 p.m. on June 27, 2024, effective until 1:36 a.m. Message from EAS. The President or his designated representative will shortly deliver a message over the National Public Warning EAS system. Please stand by.
Your cable provider or station is translating this message to Spanish. Please stand by.
El Sistema Nacional de Alerta Pública EAS ha emitido un mensaje de emergencia nacional para los siguientes condados o zonas, Estados Unidos. Comenzando a la 1:36 p.m. hora central del 27 de junio de 2024 y terminando a la 1:36 a.m., mensaje de EAS. El presidente o su representante designado emitirán en breve un mensaje a través del Sistema Nacional de Alerta Pública EAS. Por favor, permanezcan a la espera.
The National Public Warning EAS system has issued a national emergency message for the following counties or areas. United States, 36 p.m. on June 20.
My fellow Americans, today we face the darkest point in American history. An unwarranted attack against our soil has occurred. Multiple cities and metropolitan areas have been decimated by nuclear detonations in the past few hours. Many areas have been left in the dark with no communication, and hundreds of millions more will soon be affected by the radiation and fallout. I personally do not believe that it is ethically or morally possible for me to continue in a government under which people will suffer in this coming out of. I have failed this once great nation. Effective immediately, martial law will be put into effect across the country, and therefore I shall resign from my seat as President of the United States. I am not worthy of your trust, your respect, and your value. In my place will be my former Vice President, Gretchen Whitmer. I've lived my American dream, but I am greatly disappointed by my actions, by the situation, and by my actions now. I have failed to protect the nation I spoke for under oath. Thank you for your part in the American dream. Thank you. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Goodbye.